Hi everyone, it's Chi. Welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be straightening my thick curly hair. Okay. Today I'm going to be using my straightener, which is the MUK style stick, the 230 IR. I actually ended up upgrading my straightener last year, about 6 months ago, to this little thing here. I had a really cheap ceramic straightener and I decided it was time for that one to go, and I replaced it with this one. And the day that I actually went to get a new straightener, I was thinking I might get a GHD, and I went into a specialist straightening shop, and the salesperson ended up recommending this one, and for whatever reasons, and I ended up getting this one. And the really cool thing about this straightener is that you know, a few things, but the main thing is that you can control the temperature. Okay, you can actually see the temperature and you can actually change it, which is something the GHD doesn't have. They don't have that feature. Okay, I think it's a really cool straightener. So I'm going to plug it in. It heats up really quickly as well, so just turn it on with a button on the inside, and basically it will start to heat up, and you can adjust the setting. So the high setting is 230 degrees, and I've just set it to 220, or I might even set it to 210. Yeah, 210. And you can see there's a temperature on the screen, and it actually, when it goes up and down, it shows you it going up and down as well, so you know that it's changing, which is really good. And what it is why it's good to have a temperature gauge is that you can adjust it to your type of hair. Like you know, they said to me that it's probably better for me to run this straightener through my hair slowly, but if I'm going to do that, it's probably better for the hair if I turn down the temperature just a slight bit. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, so what I do is I just basically get one layer of hair, or slightly one layer, and then I just either clip it up or tie it up. I've lost my clip. I don't know where my clip is, so I'm just going to tie it up today. And then I brush it with a flat brush. Okay, now, and then, yeah, I just run it through. But when I run it through, I like to run it through like a few times, at least twice anyway. I really want my clip, hey? I'd like to clip my hair up. I'm just going to do one side so you can see the difference. my hair is really thick, hey, so it's really thick, and I've got a lot of hair as well, so I like to go through it a few times, and then at the end I like to sort of put a very fine comb through it. There. Just going to do the other side. Okay, so that's that bit. I like to finish off with a bit of oil. This one's a Baby Bliss Pro Argan Oil. Just on the top.